Hello, my dear students. Today we will learn how to create blogs and how to handle them using offline blog editors. It's a part of your part B of IT. For creating and publishing web pages blog, first of all, we must know that what a blog is. The term blog refers to online diary. Like some students have habits of maintaining a diary. रात को सोने से पहले डायरी मेंटेन करते हैं. In same way, a blog is a type of online diary in which we can maintain our day-to-day thoughts through a online media. Okay, it can contain any audio, video, images, links, whatever you want that can be added there. Blogs are used to create personal web pages by non-technical and technical users. Means we can handle or we can create our personal web pages through a blog. User can easily share their documents, thoughts, convey messages, information about any event, any news, whatever we want to convey, whatever we want to express, that can be done here. The person who maintains a blog is called blogger. Okay, let's say YouTube जो maintain channel handle करता है, that is called YouTuber. In the same way, the person who maintains a blog is called a blogger. The activity of maintaining a blog is called blogging. क्लियर है? ये दो टर्म क्लियर होनी चाहिए, ब्लॉगर एंड ब्लॉगिंग. Blogs are the textual articles but may contain photographs, videos and audios that I have already told you. To create a blog, you need internet connectivity. Okay, means like handling mail, Gmail, we must have an internet connection. Handling WhatsApp, we must have an internet connection. In the same way, for blog writing, for blogging, internet connection is required. You can also use offline blog software to create your content, but it will be published publicly whenever net access is there. Means हम बना सकते हैं offline, but to public it will be published when the net connection will be available. अब ये term vblog, it was coined by the John Barger in 1997. At least name and the term that must be in our mind. There are some popular websites which offers free blog service. First is wordpress.com, www.blogger.com, blog.com, blogsome.com. Most of the blogs are maintained through the blogger.com. Okay, today we will learn practically and theoretically in the both way, and I'll also show you a few glimpses of WordPress. Okay, creating and handling a blog account using blogger.com means handle कैसे करते हैं and how we can create. First of all, we have to open our web browser, then we have to open blogger.com, then sign in option will be available. With the help of Gmail account, the sign in will be done. The all details whichever is given here, step by step, each and every I am going to show you practically also. Okay, after signing in, it will ask for display name. Okay, and after mentioning the display name, we will click on continue. Then your blogger page, create new blog, address will be asked, theme will be asked, we can create new post. Let me show you practically, then each and every step will be more clear to you. And make a note that whatever the post we are doing in the blog account, that can be deleted also. Like Facebook पे हम कोई post करते हैं, that can be deleted ना. तो in the same way, the post done in the blog, that can also be deleted. Let me show you practically. First of all, we have opened the web browser. Here I am typing blogger.com. Press enter. Now home page of blogger.com is displayed. You can see here. Here we will click on sign in, or you can also click on create your blog. Let's click here. Okay, after clicking on it, it will ask that through which email ID you want to go. Suppose through this email ID. It will ask for password. I have entered the password. Click on next. It means Gmail ID is a compulsion for this. Got it? I have mentioned. Now here blogger profile, what name we want to display. You can mention your name or you can mention any particular name. Fine. Suppose I am mentioning great learnings. थोड़ा motivating name है ना, that I have mentioned. Okay, then continue to blogger. I have clicked. Then it will come to the window here. कोई मेहनत नहीं हुई ना. This is our blogger window. These are some terms and conditions. You can go through them. After that, here this is the button for creating the blog. Create blog. Got it? Now this window appears. Here you will mention the title. What we are doing? We are creating our first blog. Okay? For a blog, suppose कोई FB post करते हैं, तो for that post any particular title कि भाई why we are doing, for related to what it is. So that's how a blog have a title. Suppose my title is how to create a blog. Okay? Now here address, we can mention any address. Let's my first blog. Okay, automatically जैसे ही आप नाम लिखेंगे, here sample will come here. You will click on this. Automatically this address, if this address is available, so it will show nothing, but it's not available. Now you can see I have tried any other address, as many I tried and they were not working. Means the address whichever is availed by anyone else, that will not be allotted to you. Okay, so we have to try for many. Title डाल दिया, address डाल दिया, then we have to choose a theme related to our post. Means what type of theme I want. Okay, randomly whatever you can, travel related है तो you can go here. Any watermark you need it, then you can choose it. So I'll go with simple one. Okay, then create blog. When you click on this, it will start working. IT was created successfully. Okay, now what is done? This is your blog created. Name of your blog is IT. Got it? This is the name of your blog. Now you can create any of the posts. Right now we have 0 post here. We can create a post. Click on this and new blog. Click किया हमने, and in the new blog, this is how what is done. Can you see here? Another means a single user. This B is user. The single user can create many blogs. In single blogs we can have many posts. अभी blog बनाना हम सीख चुके हैं. Now in this blog we can, means blog का नाम हो गया IT. प्रॉपर मेरे blog पेज का एड्रेस था, स्टार्टिंग में हमने डाला था अमेजिंग लर्निंग. Okay, and here in IT I want to post something. For that this plus create new post. एक IT में I can do many several posts can be done here. Okay, I have clicked here. Now it will take you. बड़ा जाना पहचाना सा स्क्रीन है, जैसे वर्ड में होता है. Whatever you want to express here, my first blog, whatever you want to express, any image you want to add, any link you want to insert. From here we can insert image, from here we can insert video. Okay, whatever. Right now बस ये लिखती हूँ. ठीक है, by selecting we can format. Text size can be increased from here. whatever you want to do that can be done after doing main thing. अब यहाँ आ जाएं. Here we can set date and time for publishing. जैसे फेसबुक पे पोस्ट टाइप करने के बाद पब्लिश करनी होती है ना, फाइन. तो दैट कैन बी डन. और राइट नाउ इफ यू वांट टू पब्लिश, फॉर दैट अगर अभी सेव करने हैं, दिस इज देयर. प्रीव्यू करना है, यू कैन प्रीव्यू एंड पब्लिश. फाइनल स्टेप इज पब्लिश. ओके, दिस इज योर परमानेंट लिंक. मीन्स ये लिंक आप जिसको भी देंगे, मैं अभी ये लिंक है ना कॉपी कर रही हूँ. ओके, कॉपी कर लिया मैंने, बाद में बताती हूँ उसका क्या यूज़ होगा. देन क्लिक ऑन पब्लिश. पब्लिश पे क्लिक किया. पब्लिश टू योर ब्लॉग. यस, कंफर्म. मैंने कंफर्म कर दिया कि येस आई वांट टू पब्लिश माय पोस्ट. ये पब्लिश होते ही इट विल गो टू योर पेज. आईटी ब्लॉग के अंदर पहली पोस्ट मेरी हो गई है. अभी 0 व्यूअर हैं, अभी देखा नहीं है किसी ने. ओके, अब सपोज आपने जो लिंक कॉपी किया, आप किसी भी फ्रेंड को भेजते हैं और वो उस लिंक को मैंने यहाँ कंट्रोल पेस्ट किया, कंट्रोल V, और ओपन कर रही हूँ. अब क्या होगा? लुक, दिस इज माई फर्स्ट पोस्ट. ओके, माई पेज वॉज ग्रेट लर्निंग्स एंड माई ब्लॉग वॉज IT. गॉट इट? ये मेरी उसका मैटर था. एंड इफ यू वॉन्ट टू कमेंट, यू कैन कमेंट. मैं कमेंट कर रही हूँ गुड वन. ओके, पब्लिश हो गया. दिस इज हाउ यू कैन कमेंट ऑन एनी ऑफ द पोस्ट. किसी और की पोस्ट पे और कोई आपका नोन ब्लॉग बना रहा है एंड यू हैव लाइक्ड दैट. ओके, तो यू कैन कमेंट इन दिस वे. गॉट इट? क्लियर है? चलिए वापस ब्लॉग के पेज पे जाते हैं. नाउ view your blog. This is my blog and here one comment we have got. Everything is clear now. And now if we want to delete our post in blog, then look here, this is our first post which we have done, and here you will click here, it will show delete. Okay, just click on it and it will be delete post. Now again we have 0 post. Now we will learn how to create a blog account. We have already read there are many ways. Now first method we are learning here, that is WordPress. For creating a blog account using WordPress, first of all we have to open a web browser, and in the web browser this address needs to be opened, www.wordpress.com. okay, after that we will click on get started. After getting started, it will ask all these details. fine, ये सारी details मांगेगा and as per we will continue. Let me show you all this practically. First of all, I have opened, we will open wordpress.com. okay, this is wordpress.com home page. Here you will click on get started. After getting started, it will ask your email ID, username and password. Means the active email ID is to be required here, then your username and your password. Then you will continue. And if you already don't want to give any of the email, username, password through Gmail ID, you can continue. Just click here. Here it's given continue with Google. So I'll click here and choose the email ID which you want. Suppose I want some another account. Let me type email ID here. Okay, next. Now password I have mentioned here, and now it will take you that it is creating your account. Okay, we have to wait for a while. Now it's asking Type the domain you want here, means a web address, a domain name through which you want that your blog should open. Okay, suppose I'm typing great, whatever you want that you can type here. Now you can see that I have mentioned a domain name. Whatever you want to give any particular domain name to your blog page, that you can mention. Suggestions will appear in front of you. कुछ suggestions paid हैं, you can see here. Fine, but here below few samples, it is exactly free. So after selecting this particular address, and from here the same method as using the blogger.com we have done, our blog page will be ready. Now let me show you practically how the offline blog editors can be created. Offline means when we are not connected with the internet. We can also create the blogs if the net is not available, and whenever the net will be available to us, then we will finally publish our post. Okay, there are many softwares like Kumana, Blogdesk, Windows Live Writer and MS Word. We all are familiar with this. Okay, if we want to go with this, we can download these editors and we can install, but I think we all have MS Word. Let's learn how to use offline blog editors. Now I'll show you through MS Word. Now using offline blog editors using MS Word, I'll show you practically how to maintain this MS Word. Simply we have to open MS Word and then we have to go to file menu, and if it's it's Office 2007, then Office button is there at the left corner. From there you can click on new or you can click on publish option from the list which is opened there, and there you will find an option new blog post. From there choose create button, and whatever the information it is asking, that you have to mention regarding your blog account. Fine, let me show you practically this one also. Let me open MS Word. I am opening it, and after opening go to your, अगर आपके पास कोई और वर्जन है MS Word का, you can go to file menu. Okay, in your file menu you will get in new option. In new option here or here you will get new blog post. Okay, मुझे यहाँ भी मिल रहा है, and if I cancel it, I am also getting in publish. You can see here. So there are two ways. From anywhere you can go. From file menu, go click on new, or either you can say from office button, click on new. Here the new blog post, click on this create. If we'll create, it will ask that you have to register for a blog account. For that, register now. Here you will select that you have created your blog account through WordPress, through any of these, like we have created through Blogger. So click on Blogger, then next, then your username of your blog. अब हमारा username क्या था? Our email ID and password, whatever that was, that you can mention and click on OK. Okay, जैसे आप, I have not mentioned, but after when you will mention, here it's asking that photos नहीं upload करनी है. If you want, you can click on this. Okay, I am doing this. Then okay, ये अभी मैं नहीं डाल रही हूँ. Okay, when it all the details whatever it is asking, that will be done, you will come on this page. Simple हमारा word का page है. Here you will enter your post name, whatever you want, the title, and here the details. Got it? Here you can also insert any picture, any shape, any drawing, anything if we want to add in our blog, and everything. कोई नई चीज़ नहीं बताने की. साइज इंक्रीजिंग, कलर चेंजिंग, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल. वर्ड यूज़ हम सबको करना आता है. मीन्स सिंपल अपनी पोस्ट तैयार करेंगे यहाँ पर, एंड आफ्टर दैट हेयर पब्लिश, क्लिक ऑन दिस. अगर नेट कनेक्ट है यू कैन क्लिक ऑन पब्लिश. इफ नेट इज नॉट कनेक्टेड देन पब्लिश एज draft, means it will be saved in your blog account offline, and whenever net is connected at that time you can publish it. अगर हम publish पे click करें, whenever net connectivity will be available at that time it will be published. और अगर मैं publish as draft करती हूँ तो it is saved in your account, और जब तक आप publish नहीं करेंगे it will not be published. Got it? That's it for now. Thank you. Take care. Bye.